guys kasi Italian red para siya
Guys,
breeding ng Cordoba
releasing our
Italian.
number 2 queen, new queen guys. So this coding of this queen is HR1. So mo ni guys yang naong sabi Italian red. Very nice, very nice. So I hope this will make a lot of good. So that's all guys, thank you for watching my mini vlog. Bye bye.